Hey everyone! If you caught my last video, you saw me 3D printing crystals and then casting them in resin. Today I'll walk you through the entire process. First, I 3D printed the crystals and then secured them to wooden bases using hot glue. Next, I mixed equal parts of MoldStar silicone rubber part A and B. I rolled out sulfur-free plasticine clay on a flat surface and cut the tops off of solo cups to create molds. This type of clay is safe to use with silicone. I nestled each mold and cup into the clay to prevent leaks, and this was when I realized it looked a bit like a mouth. It's a good idea to add clay on top of the bases of smaller items to ensure that they won't float away. For silicone pouring, I use cured silicone chunks to minimize waste. After pouring, any leaks were patched with clay. Ensuring everything was level, I then let it sit for about 36 hours. The wooden bases really made mold release easier. Removing the smaller objects from vertical molds required careful slicing with a really sharp knife, so if you try this at home, be careful. I secured plastic hair ties around those molds to prevent leaks when I pour the resin. There was some flashing and excess silicone that needed to be removed. The resin was mixed, tinted, and poured. Using a torch, I removed any bubbles from the resin and let it cure for 24 hours. Next time, I'll use a finer layer height to reduce the layer lines on the 3D prints. To smooth these surfaces after the fact, I applied UV resin and then cured it on top, resulting in some beautiful, smooth crystals. If you enjoyed this process, please like this video and then subscribe to stay tuned for more building tips.